How to create a QR code for your Facebook page. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to create a QR code for your Facebook page, first of all launch the Facebook page application and make sure that you have toggled on for your Facebook page. So tap on your page over here and simply tap on the three dotted lines over here. Then select on your page link, so you can simply copy the link over here. Now as the link is copied, you can go back and launch the Chrome browser or any browser that you have on your device. Now tap on the search bar at the top of the screen, and what you can simply search for it over here is QR code generator. So you can simply search for QR code generator over here, and as you search for it, you can see different options pop up, so you can select whichever is more convenient for you. I'm going to select on a very first option that pops up, and as you do that, what you simply need to do is you need to enter the website or any URL over here. So let me just paste it and then tap on download QR. So here is the QR. You can select on the design as well, on what kind of design you would want and so on. So you can simply do that and download the QR over here. You can download with any other options and then you'll be done. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.